Hello. Yeah, they upgraded me, the rental place. Can't complain, pretty cool, huh? I don't know if this is leather or not. I don't know how to tell the difference between real leather and fake leather. Maybe it is. Hades. It's 2 a.m. I got to drive about 480, maybe about 480 miles to Lathrop. But they got a cool car to do it in, huh? Corning, California, and I'm gonna eat breakfast at McDonald's there. Here's the TA. I think it's closing soon. There's the charger. 10 a.m. arriving in Lathrop. Here's my new truck. It's an International and it's red. Ew. I gotta get used to an International again. Shit. Gotta offload all my stuff and I'm real tired. I kind of moved in, only took a couple hours, and my refrigerator is right there. Yeah, I got a little room into my bed, and there's a bunch of wasted space because the fridge won't fit here, and it won't fit back in there. I missed the Freightliner. And I guess I left my cord at home, or I lost it when I lost my hat, but my microwave won't reach. So I gotta find a new cord. I can't microwave anything until I do. Annoying. So yeah, when you take vacation in this company, you have to turn in your truck. You can't keep your truck while you're not moving for more than 4 days. So this was a huge pain in the ass. I drove 500 miles. They rented. When I went home, I rented my own car and drove from Medford home. But coming back, they rented the car for me, and she's a beauty. Although the Enterprise gave me that because the other one the tires were damaged, so I got a free upgrade, which was cool. But yeah, this sucks. Well, I'm back to work now in an International, not a Freightliner. So, some issues with this thing. Oh, the shocks suck. It does have more balls than the Freightliner. Again, I really hate that my refrigerator is on the floor there. And when it auto starts, when the battery's dying, it beeps and shit like crazy. It woke me up, scared the shit out of me when it did that. But there's I can go 68 miles per hour now, and there's no camera. Of course, that would have happened anyway with the Freightliner. No camera, so I could be naughty.